Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Friend with Benefits Emily Finch masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Emily Finch masturbator itself. And she really does turn your desires into reality and is always there for you. The realistic model has a silky soft and of course a realistic feel as well. So it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable during use. The interior is designed with a stimulating structure, which adds that extra level of stimulation. It's also made of a soft and flexible stretchy material, so it bends and moves easily to your rhythm during penetration. Now, when using this masturbator, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Friend with Benefits Emily Finch masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.